What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the motherfucking show. This right here is going to be answering question from Valicia. So for 5-minute candles, would confirmation in either direction generally be 2 candles or 3 in that direction? I've already answered it for her, but I'm going to make a video on it for anybody else that's interested. Said yes, upon resistance or support break or even pattern break that you have analyzed, we need confirmation candles with good volume. I personally use 2 candles, so let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to use ThinkorSwim platform here. Let me go to obviously the easiest break that we see on Tesla right here. We're going to start with a resistance type of confirmation. Let me make that a little bit thicker. Let's pretend this is a multiple tested resistance that I just put on this. Here is the candle break. Okay, we do not count this one, but this triggers our confirmation time. So, or looking for confirmation. So we're looking at 1, 2 candles right here. Okay. We are waiting for this candle to close before we decide what we're going to do. Okay. Because this candle, it already went up here and it sold off back to here. Could have easily sold off back below our resistance. Now, it didn't. It closed above the resistance. Therefore, we enter a bullish play, whether it be intraday options, buying stock, whatever you want to do. And it ran from 710 to 726. Okay. Now, also to note, good volume. You can't see it, but the little, that's the number, but the little tan line right here is my average volume. It's way above average volume at open on this day. So we're also happy to see that. Let me play it on the flip side real quick for you guys. I was going to use like, this isn't the best volume, but oh, let me talk real quick about this. I meant to do this, sorry. You can also do this with studies like EMAs, SMAs. I'm using a 5 and 10 moving or 5 and 15 moving average. So again, broke through the yellow and blue moving average, good volume, confirmation, candle here. This is where we enter. We're still above our moving averages. So we're bullish, okay? We're going to use the moving averages on this one too. This is a good example right here. It touches the SMAs, but what we, just like a resistance, we want to see it go through it a little bit. We don't see that here. We see it respect it and stay downward. So the end of this candle right here is confirmation. This is a bearish play. Okay. Let's look at this one. I haven't even seen this one yet. This looks pretty freaky right here. So a lot of indecision, right? Look at the sticks, the wicks, right? A lot of indecision right here. So where do we count the first break? It's going to be this candle. Okay. Broke down. First candle, second candle confirmation. Closes below our moving averages. Bearish. So, I mean, no matter how long you hold this, so we buy here, 711. Looks like a double bottom here to 702. It's bearish play. Okay. You can do that all day long, man. Keep in mind, the 2 things I want you to keep in mind for doing this is, one, probably the most important besides knowing what the fuck you're doing on a chart, is volume and understanding candlestick patterns. I saw this, and I know this is indecision. It's almost a spinning top. Indecision pattern. Okay. You don't want to be in a, a bearish, like a bullish, let's go back to here. You don't want to be like in a bullish play and then see like a Marabizu or like a bearish Arami or something like that pushing back down here, even though we're not getting below the, I wish I could draw it for you guys. Like let's say like a bearish Arami right here was forming. And even though it did not cut below our moving averages, I know that is a bearish as fuck candlestick pattern, and I need to think twice about going long right there. So keep that in mind. Like I said, I'd probably put them in order as 1, volume, 2, watching the candlestick patterns. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments of this video. Also, I'm going to drop my Discord link below. Also, I got some new shit cooking up for y'all. If you're interested, I will link my podcast as well. It's on Spotify. I also live stream them on this channel on YouTube. I'll be getting that going. I have one episode up right now, but I'll be getting that going. Probably a couple episodes every month. Different things covering religion, ancient culture, finance, economy, things like that. So if you want to support that, please feel free to follow it on Spotify. Like I said, I'll leave the link below. That's all I got for you guys. Sorry for a little bit of a long video, but I will catch you on the next one. Thank you.